Imagine this, your kitchen scraps, like veggie peels, eggshells, and spoiled fruit, don't go to waste. Instead, they grow into this, fresh, healthy greens right at your doorstep. This isn't just a DIY trick. Thousands of these compost garden towers are helping families turn everyday waste into homegrown food. Let's build one today. Start with a used food-grade plastic barrel, like this 120-litre, 32-gallon HDPE barrel. Choose barrels that were previously used to store food-grade products. They are safe to reuse for gardening. Mark 4 levels around the barrel, spacing each level 14 centimeters, about 5.5 inches apart. Each level has 8 holes, and upper holes are staggered from the ones below. To do this, divide the barrel's circumference into 16 roughly equal sections. It doesn't have to be perfectly precise. drill pilot holes. Use a jigsaw to cut out planting slots. Heat the edges gently with a torch and press a mold into each opening to form a plant pocket. This helps keep soil and roots in place.
Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Smooth out any sharp edges.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn to remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Next, cut a hole at the base of the barrel for your composting pipe, 114mm in diameter.
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Thanks so much for watching. We are just getting started. In the next video, we'll complete the compost pour and bring this tower to life. Don't miss it, hit subscribe and I'll see you there.